Hey guys, it's Chris with ScooterOps of Phoenix. This is the How It Works video for our repairs page. This is also a frequently asked question guide for any of my prospective new clients or existing clients who want to know how my business operates. So going forward, ScooterOps is a virtual e-scooter repair shop, That's because we do not have a brick and mortar location. Now, if you have a broken scooter, you're welcome to fill out a form on my repairs page. We have a repairs form where I ask all of my clients to fill out so I can take a look at your scooter and see if it's worth repairing. If it is worth repairing, you're going to meet me here at Rip's Bar, which is at 16th and Thomas in the parking lot. You're going to give me your e-scooter for up to 3 weeks for a repairs period. During that period, I'm going to film the repair and put it on our video resource page, which is called a school community. School.com/scooteroperations is where all of the videos that I film about repairing scooters are gonna be held. So the idea is that you are the first line of defense against fixing your e-scooter. Now within our school community, we'll have an error codes catalog, and plenty of video resources on how to fix flat tires, because I think that's the most important thing going forward. The biggest problem in the micromobility industry is part sourcing and supply chain, and there really isn't enough knowledge and manpower and know-how going around on where to get parts, where to source parts, and how to do the repairs themselves. So that's why we're creating this virtual e-scooter repair shop and a solution to micromobility problems, where we'll build a community and you can join and share whatever knowledge you accumulate as you fix your e-scooter. I will be mostly doing flat tire repairs going forward. So if you do want your scooter appraised, you're going to meet me here at Rip's Bar, which is 16th Street and Thomas. This is for clients that live in Phoenix. If you live outside of Phoenix, then you're more than welcome to join the virtual e-scooter repairs community on our school page, link in description. We will also be possibly migrating to Patreon with this virtual e-scooter repair shop. And to answer the question, no, we do not have a brick and mortar location. All business is by appointment. This is Chris with ScooterOps. We offer e-scooter repairs, e-scooter tours in Phoenix, and short-term e-scooter rentals. Thank you very much, and fill out a repairs ticket form if you need your scooter quoted or appraised. Thank you. What's a virtual e-scooter repair shop? A virtual e-scooter repair shop is a video resource catalog where you'll be able to check out videos on your specific model e-scooter or a similar model e-scooter to maybe you have the same size wheel. You'll be able to purchase a video, watch the video, and perform the repair yourself with minimal supervision and questions. That's the purpose of the guides in my virtual e-scooter repair shop. Going forward, I will only be able to do flat tire repair. So if you do live in Phoenix and you have a e-scooter with a flat tire, you can meet me here at Rip's Bar at 16th Street and Thomas, where I will collect your scooter for 3 weeks, or usually a lot less than 3 weeks, for a repairs period. During that repairs period, I will be filming the repair, putting a new tube and tire into your scooter, and issuing it back to you when it's complete. Now, typically my videos in the virtual e-scooter repair shop work like this. In part one, we will take the tube out, we will identify the tube, and then we will order the tube and try to find out where the best place to get the tube comes from. And then part two will be where after we've received the tube from the manufacturer, we will install the tube and, what I like to say, put Humpty Dumpty back together again, where we reassemble the scooter so it's rideable. So thanks for checking out this how it works page for my repairs, and if you have any questions, you can email me at chris@scooterops.com. Thanks, and happy scooting, stay safe, and scoot hard and stay safe is what I like to say. Peace out.